So how's your real estate investing going? Are you frustrated with your lack of progress maybe? Want to not only get started, but are looking for a way to invest at a higher level? Maybe so you can become financially free in the next 1 or 2 years. If that's you, but you kind of feel stuck, then maybe your problem is that you don't have the right support system around you. To find out what I mean by the right support system and how to get it, stick around. Let's do this. Hey, my name is Michael Blank, and I help people become financial free with real estate. So think about it. Investing is kind of a lone sport, right? I mean, what do your friends, families, and coworkers think about your dream of investing in real estate, maybe even buying apartment buildings? Like, they kind of think you're crazy, right? I remember when I got started, it was hard, and no one really supported me, and it was super frustrating. Or let's say you actually got started and you bought a house or duplex or small apartment building, but how hard or easy was that? And how profitable was it? Right? In my experience, it was very hard and it wasn't that profitable. And I was like wondering, isn't there an easier way to be successful as an investor? Now, I remember when I got started with apartment investing. It was back in 2011. It was a deal in DC, and it was a nightmare. Okay, number one, I shouldn't have invested in Washington, D.C. because it's a very pro-tenant jurisdiction. Number two, I had a professional tenant in there, the kind that knew how to sue you every 6 weeks, didn't pay rent, and made my life miserable hell. So I almost ran out of money. And I had the wrong property manager. I made so many different mistakes. But my biggest mistake was not having the right support around me. And I see this with investors all the time. Now, from my own experience and having helped hundreds of people do their first apartment building deal, I noticed patterns with people who got results faster than others. Now, I call these investors gazelles because they figured out how to greatly accelerate the time and size of their first deal. In fact, gazelles, the people who work with us, they get their first deal under contract in about 6 months, and the average deal size is a surprising $4 million. Now, my team and I studied what they did carefully. One of the things they did differently from others who weren't as successful is that they got the right kind of support. Now, here's what I mean by the right support. What does it look like? There's 3 kinds of support to look for. Number 1 is community. Gazelles join the right community of peers, the other crazy people who want to do the same thing they do. So you too should find those crazy people. That's your tribe. Having a group of peers around you it really helps you stay consistent, taking action, keeps you on track because you're encouraging each other and holding each other accountable. The right support number 2 is coaches. It's like professional athletes, right? High-performing CEOs, gazelles, they work with coaches. Now, a coach is someone who can help you with mindset issues, like limiting beliefs or lack of clarity. They can arm you with tools to handle challenges and setbacks. They can hold you accountable. They can encourage you. Very, very important. And gazelles understand that a coach can keep them on track, regardless of any ups or downs that they may encounter. The third kind of support are mentors. And these are the kind of people that can help you with live deals when you get them. The ideal mentor should be an experienced multifamily operator who has become financially free. They've done what you want to do. And they should have accomplished that. They should have be financially free. And they need to agree to help you with a live deal. Because when you get a live deal, it takes a lot of support because you can have lots of questions. Every single deal is going to be a little bit different. So the bottom line is this: gazelles do bigger deals faster because they look for the right communities. They work with coaches and have mentors to help them stay on track and support them with live deals as they develop their pipeline. So regardless of whether you've never invested in real estate before or you have, but you feel stuck, make sure you get the right support network around you. Now, we'd love to be that support for you. If you feel that you could use help in your investing, then talk to us. Just schedule a call with us. We're at themichaelblank.com/call, and you can schedule a free, no obligation call about how we might be able to help you get to that next level. Catch you next time.